Hello and welcome back to the next video of Python Bytes series. In this video, we'll see how to download and install PyCharm IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment which assists us in writing scripts. PyCharm is an IDE by JetBrains. Let us now download PyCharm on our computers. Open browser and in the address bar type jetbrains.com. Go to Developer Tools, click on PyCharm and click Download. There are two editions of PyCharm, professional for business purpose and community which is free, which we are going to use for learning and hobby purpose. Click on download. Till PyCharm installer is downloaded, please like this video and comment below with your feedback on Python Bytes series. Also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Your support for this channel is important to reach the larger Python community. Now the installer is downloaded. Let us continue installing PyCharm. So let's open the installer. On Mac, it is simple drag and drop. The application is copied into the application folder. Now let us start PyCharm. When we start PyCharm for the first time, it will ask us to create a new project. Let us create a project Python Bytes and let us create it. It will create a blank project. Now we have to select the interpreter. So go to Preference, go to Interpreter and select 3.10 Interpreter. We have already downloaded the Python interpreter and seen the Python console in the previous videos. If you wish to review those videos, check in the top right corner for the video link. Now we'll select the interpreter. Let us now see how to create the first script and run in PyCharm. Right click on Python Bytes and go to new Python file and give it as name as first script.py and it will create a blank file. The aim of this program is to take an input name from terminal and print hi name, welcome to Python Bytes series, how are you doing today? So in the place of this name, it is the input that we have taken. So let us take the input name and add a prompt saying that please enter your name, and in the next line we'll print hi and then in curly brackets we will print name. So to make this curly bracket variable, we'll type f in the front of the string, so that will become the variable. In the next line we'll type print welcome to Python Bytes series, and in the third line we'll print how are you doing today. Let us spell correct and now let us run this script. Let us click on run. It will ask please enter your name and let us type my name Athar, and now it will print hi Athar, welcome to Python Bytes series, how are you doing today. Now this was how we run the script in PyCharm. Let us see how we can run the script in terminal. So PyCharm also gives us the facility of running from terminal. So right at the bottom there is a tab called terminal. Click on terminal and this will take us to the location where our file is. So now to run the same file first script.py, let us type python3 space and the file name, that is first script.py, and it will run the script in the terminal. Please enter your name. Let us type me. So hi me, welcome to Python Bytes series, how are you doing today. So this was our first program and a very simple script. Also, if you don't want to use 3 prints, there is another way you can print this whole thing, and that is you can use a new line character. So what is a new line character? So new line character is written as \n, that will create a new line. So let us try this new line character in our print statement. So we remove the prints command and we keep the text and we just add a new line character at the end of each line. What this will do is, this will, using one print, it will print all the three lines, because it will print hi, the name, then it will press enter because it's a new line and go to the next line and print welcome to Python Bytes series, and in the next line it will again print how are you doing today. Let us try this change. Let us type python 3 and first script.py. Now let us type name John. It will print hi John, welcome to Python Bytes series, how are you doing today. Now we learned about installing PyCharm and writing our first Python script. In the next video, we'll see what are the types of variables and what is the use of these variables in programming. Thank you for watching this video. Click in the top right corner link to find more content related to Python. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Your likes and subscriptions help me with YouTube algorithm to reach the wider Python loving community and motivates me to create more content. Goodbye till next time. Keep coding.